Yes, hello guys. I hope you are having a nice evening. In this video, I'm going to show you convert or uh, how to avoid plagiarism in your work when you're doing your research, when you're writing a project, when you're doing your any content writing or any other writing that you are doing, and you need to actually get information from online sources or different sources of information. So it is required that you have to acknowledge the source in order to avoid the so-called plagiarism. As we all know that plagiarism actually is an academic suicide. There's someone who asked me that what is plagiarism, and actually in short I'll just tell you plagiarism is the behavior or situation of copying other people's work, information or data without acknowledging their work or without acknowledging the source of the information you have or you are using in your work. Now, today, actually, I just want to show you how to avoid plagiarism. How to avoid plagiarism. Uh, First of all, you need to acknowledge the source either by uh, citing, citing the author or the person that the original or the originator of that information. Secondly, there is an online account. It is called Quillbox. Quillbox. Let me type here Quill. Uh, Let me type here quickly quillbot.com. So, for instance, if you want to avoid plagiarizing this work, let me go to the abstract of this work. For instance, let me copy the first paragraph. You just copy it and then bring it, you paste it onto quillbot.com. So once you copy, once you paste there, you remember you have to edit so that actually it is in line with the font and wherever. So once you are done with that, you click on paraphrase. After clicking, remember quillbot.com is a free online plagiarism checker, so you don't need to pay anything unless you want to advance it to premium grade. So as you can compare the two windows or sections, we have the section for where you've just pasted the information you copied from the source, and we have this other side which uh, gives you the information that has been paraphrased. So if you compare, as you can see here, it is starting with African countries continue to be the major destination of Kenya's exports. But as you see the other side, you will see it is starting with the European Union is still Kenya's top export market. So you can either copy all this paraphrase information and paste it here, so that when you check for plagiarism, you will find it is zero because it has been paraphrased. Everything here has been paraphrased. So we are going to have two documents here. We are going to have two Word documents here. The one for like this document, let me save it document A. Let me save it document A. Let me save it document A. Let me save it doc A. And this other document, let me save it document B. But let me paste first. Let me copy first. Let me copy first from the origin. Not this one, actually, not this one. So let me copy the same paragraph, and I'm not going to subject this paragraph to Quillbot for paraphrasing purposes. So I'm going to paste this same paragraph into the second Word document, and let me save it as doc B. Let me save it as doc B. So once you're done with that, I want us to use another software called Turnitin. So you just type here Turnitin. Remember, for you to use Turnitin, you need to have an email and you need to get it from an authorized dealer whom will sell you this account. So for instance, I'm using Ramsey Global's Turnitin login details so that I can run the two documents to see, to compare the plagiarism levels. So if you want to use Turnitin account, you first of all need to log in your login. You need to log in into the Turnitin account. Then after logging in, you click on viewing. You are now viewing home. Then you click on check number 17. Check number 17. It depends. It should not be number 17. It depends on what the sequence of the account that you have been given. So as you can see here, you have different documents that have been submitted to Turnitin account. So you're going to use this one. Just use number 4. You click on submit. You click on submit. You can see here the login details. We have the first name and second name depending on the login details we gave to the Turnitin authorized dealer. So under submission title, you click the name of the title of that document. So for instance, let me save or write here or type here doc A. Then you go to choose from computer. Once you go to choose from a computer, you should remember where you saved that work. I remember I saved it in my documents, and it is here, doc A. So once you open, you go to upload. You go to upload. Let's wait as it is continuing to uploading. So you can see the summary of the document. So after you upload, you make sure that you confirm. Now that is the preview of what you've just uploaded. Then you return to the assignment list. So once you go back to the assignment list, as it is continuing to process, let us also add document 2 or document B, which we did not subject it onto the quillbot.com. So let us submit the second document and save the title as doc B, and we saved it in this computer. Under documents, you go to documents, it is doc B. You open, you upload, then you wait until there's a section called confirm. So once you confirm, it is going to process your work. So for you to go back, or for you to, in order to see actually the percentage, I call it the plagiarism percentage, you make sure that you go back to the assignment list. Go back to the assignment list. Once you go back to the assignment list, you can see, wow, the one that we had submitted onto the Quillbot, that was doc A, is actually 0% plagiarism. And the one that we had submitted onto Turnitin account without subjecting it onto Quillbot or paraphrasing tool, actually it is indicating that it is 100% plagiarism. So you can still view the details of the work that you just uploaded onto the Turnitin, you can see the whole paragraph has been highlighted in red. That means actually it is 100%, plagiarized. And if you view the one with 0% plagiarized, actually it does not have any red highlights. You can check. Wow. Now, thank you for watching this video. My name is Professor Ramah. You can still call me Ramadan K. Shaban. And actually, I will continue updating you. Next lesson, we're going to learn on how to use SPSS and Excel when it comes to drawing figures and tables for representing information or for data representation, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you a nice time.